Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a video of unboxing this huge cutter. It says it has a USB flash editing function. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah. Don't know if you could read, so I'm just gonna zoom in. So you see, it says, wait a second, so it says throttle stick, and it says to switch for light, low, high speed mode, and yeah, it says it's 255 millimeters. It's 52 grams, and it's 15 meters. The scope of control, and the motor model 7 blah blah blah. Width 45 millimeters, and height is 107 millimeters. Flying time is 7 minutes. The transmitter battery, blah blah blah. So yeah, our stuff main blade 220 millimeters. So yeah, I'm just gonna zoom out and let's get into the so here's the box. Here's the box. So over here, we're gonna open it from the side. Okay, so guys, okay, over. It's actually let's just open it right now. Let's try to open it like this. Take out the controller first. Let's take out the controller first. So here's the controller. It says it's the SI series remote control helicopter. See, very swift. So yeah, might get some mistakes, so yeah, it's very swift. And here is the, what is this? Oh, it's the USB that they sell. And here's the cable. There's no like like plug things. So I have some downstairs. So let's open this. So now let's open this box. This is very puzzling. Okay, so my brother is in this video. What are you doing? My brother is in this video also. So it's So do this. So here's the helicopter. I'm gonna put it in the box. Rub it. So that's the helicopter. So yeah, we're gonna try out this helicopter in another video. So yeah, and I forgot. Here's my brother. What?
See you next time with this video. Bye bye.
No.
What? Are we doing something else?
Say it again.
See you next time for this video. Make sure you subscribe.
And
Don't. Wait, what do I have to say?
make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.
Make sure to subscribe and don't forget for comments.
What?
Your teeth was showing.
It's make sure to like, subscribe if you're new, and write a comment in the comment section below. So yeah.